Welcome guys. So today we are going to discuss about a very important concept, the concept of unit step function. You can give the heading unit step function. This is one of the important functions we encounter in physical science. Unit step function. So let me tell you how we deal with this. First, let's talk about its definition. The definition goes like this. If we take a function, let's say u of t minus a, this will be equals to 0 for t less equals to t less than a, and it is 1 for t greater equals to a. You get such a thing. So let us try to plot it in the graph. If you plot it in the graph, you will get something like this. So along x-axis we are plotting t, and along y-axis we are plotting u of t minus a, u of t minus a versus t, which is the origin. So let's say this is a. So as per the definition, when t is less than a, it is 0, and t greater equals to a, when t greater than equals to a, then the function takes the value 1. Okay. So here the function will take up the value. It will go like this. So this value is like. So this is a simple concept. You write u of t minus a. This has an equivalent expression u a of. Now to explore this concept further, I'm just giving you one function to plot. Let me just give you the expression. The expression goes like this. Okay, let's change the color. The expression goes like this. I'm telling you to plot this function. Let's say f of t. F of t is equals to k times u into t minus 1 minus 2u times t minus 4 plus u times t minus 6. I hope if you can plot this, you can easily understand this function. So as per this notation, how can you write k? uat, a is the point where the function will take up the unit value. Unit step function because the value it takes is unity. Okay, so u of t minus 1, this can be written as u1 of t minus 2 u4 of t, okay, plus this u of t minus 6, this can be written as u6 of. Okay, so let us try to draw this. Let's put xy coordinates in this way. So along y-axis we are plotting f of t. Along y-axis we are plotting f of t. Along x-axis we are plotting t. So I think this axis would be taken a little bit higher, because we may require to draw it below the x-axis also. Let's say this is your t-axis. This is where we plot t, f of t versus t. So before going into that, you see here what we have: k into u of t minus 1 minus 2u t minus 4 u t minus 6. So we'll start with taking the first one, u1 of t. This will take the value 1 at t equals to 1. Okay, so we are just doing like this 0, and let's say up to this it is 1. So below less than t equal, when t is less than 1, then no value is activated. Look, this function u4 of t will be activated beyond 4. This value u6 of t will be activated beyond t equals to 6. So when t is less than 1, none of the function, none of this u1, u4 or u6 is active. So it will take up 0 value. Once we go t greater than 1, then it will take up the value 1. Let's say this is 1, or here it is k is multiplied. Let's call it k. Okay, it took up the value k. Now it will not get affected until, look, u4 of t, that becomes activated when t greater than 4. So up to, let's say, 2, 3, 4, up to 4, it will take up its, it will maintain its value to k. Okay. Now here we see what will happen beyond t greater than 4. Beyond t greater than 4, two terms will contribute. u6 will remain inactivated till t equals to 4. So you see, when t greater than 4, what will happen? u4 of t is giving you one value. So the total value becomes k into u1 of t will give you 1 minus 2 into 1, and that value will be 0. So this is basically minus k. Getting it? So beyond t is equals to 4, the value will be minus k. So let's say this value is minus k, and it has taken now the value at t is equals to 4, it will take the value minus k. So till hot value, this will take this value. This is 4. This function u6 will be activated at 6. So this is 5. This is 6. So it will maintain its value of minus k till 6. Once it reaches to 6, once it is greater than 6, what will happen? This value will be 1. So check the value, k into 1 minus 2 plus 1. So this is again 0. So when t is equals to 6 or t beyond 6, it will become 0, and it will be like this. So in this way, you get the idea of unit step function. I hope you have understood this concept very well. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care.
Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like csir-net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for csir-net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of csir-net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PhysicsHub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.